So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix TradingView chart not loading. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your TradingView.com. So log into your account. From there you can see some different variations of what you can look at from different stock and different charts. So once you open up a chart, you should expect for it to load something like this. But if it's not doing that for some reason, you can hard restart it by clicking Control R, which should refresh your page, and that would be a hard restart. If it's not happening like that, so if it's still not loading, you should try to open up an incognito window, and on there just type in your chart or paste that link or get to your account on TradingView to get to your chart. If it's still not working, you should look at some clearing cache or some other stuff that can hinder your browser's performance. So on there, it's going to look something like this. It should look something like this. You could get some settings once you get back to your account. So maybe some background apps or stuff like that are hindering your performance, and make sure of course that you have a good internet connection, since sometimes charts and all in all your tabs won't work unless you have a good internet connection. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.